Hi, my name is Katy Meyer. I am the chef owner of Trumpet Blossom Cafe in Iowa City.
A little like Christmas.
Yeah, I was going through emails trying to find something that you had emailed me, and I saw when you were like, hey, we're thinking about these ingredients, what do you think? And I was like,
Okay, so I think I've done 9 episodes.
so myself overall.
Now that I know kind of how it all works, how the whole TV cooking thing works, I feel like I've kind of progressed and tried to do a little bit more each time. I forgot one. It's also strange because a lot of these recipes, well, a lot of them aren't really recipes.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I have recipes for you this time.
It's neat that people do take the time to watch and to learn, and it's like I want people to come to my restaurant and buy my food and support my business, but I also want them to enjoy good food in their homes. I want people to enjoy good food all the time. I'm a pretty humble person.
And talk about how it can be a little dirty, so I think I'll have a bowl of water.
But there's also a part of me that really kind of likes the spotlight a little bit.
Plate for the weeks, and then, yeah, we need a plate for...
It's super fun to have a camera pointed on me, which is so silly to say.
Pull the baked one out, slice it, plate it with a little apple, and eat it. That's great.
But I also enjoy it. I do, yeah. I'll admit it. It's so fun. I say that anytime anyone mentions that they saw me on TV, and I'm always like, oh, I was so nervous the first time, but it's so much fun and I look forward to it, and it's a really neat thing that I'm able to do, so I appreciate it.